Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is from the huge exercise company Peloton. They are hiring a credit specialist. This is remote for the United States only. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to this page, if you're interested in putting that application in, is in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, Peloton is hiring a credit specialist. They say the credit representative analyzes credit data to estimate the degree of risk involved in extending credit to domestic and international companies. The credit representative reports to the credit manager. So there's going to be lots of things going on with this job. You'll be assigned a portfolio to manage, and you'll be responsible for the collection of that portfolio assigned. You'll manage the order hold queue throughout the day, making sure that timely approval of new orders is done. You'll interface with stakeholders on the status of old aged orders that are on credit hold, and you may have to contact customers that are over the credit limit for past due for payment. So this may require you to pick up the phone and make some outbound phone calls, but you are not sitting on the phone all day taking inbound phone calls. You'll monitor all assigned accounts, customer contacts with past due accounts on a bi-weekly basis. Now, you also work with the credit manager on accounts that don't pay timely, making every effort to minimize the bad debt write-offs, but you may have to do bad debt write-offs as needed. You'll also send statements and invoice copies to customers when they request them. You'll assist with running credit card payments, posting cash, and collection of prepaid orders when needed. If any issues with orders come up, you'll also investigate and resolve those issues, including follow-up activities such as reconciliation of payment disputes, chargebacks, discounts, credit adjustments, write-offs, and refunds. Now, if this sounds like something you are interested in, if you're just interested in working for Peloton, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. They do want somebody who has 3 to 5 years of commercial credit, collections, or some kind of accounts receivable experience. They're looking for somebody who is a technical agility, somebody who can system process and improvements, and of course you have to have those great intermediate Microsoft Excel skills. Pay for this position is very, very well because Peloton is based in New York, which is a high cost of living area. The base salary is anywhere from $63,750 a year all the way up to $86,250 a year. Now, they also offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off. They also offer an employee stock purchase plan. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for down in the comments. I do read those and keep that in mind. And I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.